Hey beauties, welcome to my channel Art by SH, where creativity meets recycling. Look at this beautiful beauty organizer I made using recycled materials. My kids love ice cream, so I always have a lot of boxes at home. I thought, why not turn them into something useful? Today I'm going to upcycling these boxes along with some old drawers, wallpaper and mirror to create a unique makeup organizer, and I will show you exactly how to do it. First I will stand the box up with the opening part facing with me. Then I will cut the back wall in a semicircle shape to make it look more beautiful and so now unique. I am going to cut this part in a semicircle shape, and I will show you the cutting portion after a short while. After cutting, it will look like this. Then I will cut some cardboard into different sizes to divide the box into different sections for my makeup and cosmetics. Pasted all the cutted cardboard pieces with the help of UHU tube and organize all these pieces according to the size of your cosmetic. As I am doing, please see it carefully. See how I am going to proportionate my beauty organizer according to the size of my cosmetics. You can do also the same thing. Now I am applying the glue and sticking the ribbon on the upper part of the box. It will look more neat after using this ribbon on the upper part of the cutted edges. So I am showing you all this procedure in a fast mode. Now I have divided my box into different portions according to my cosmetics. So this part is almost done. Now I am adding some cardboard on the roof of my drawer to secure my cosmetics. Here I am going to use the glue gun and going to attach the drawer part with the box. I need to proportionate this my beauty organizer according to the size of my lipstick. I hope this is the well proportionated now. Now I am going to cover the side portion of the drawer with the same cardboard. This is looking so good already. Now I am going to take this mirror from my old beauty box and attach it to our new makeup organizer. Let's see how it's turned out. Some time ago, I put a wallpaper at home and saved the leftover pieces. I'll cut this wallpaper to finish our beautiful organizer. We will meet again in a bit to see the final result. Now I'm using the golden tape to decorate my beauty box. After applying this tape, I will meet you again to show you the final result. I decorated two empty bottles with the same golden ribbons to keep the brushes. Add some white glue at the bottom of this bottle and stick it inside the box. Now I am going to decorate two more small size of bottles with the same procedure. Oh, this looks amazing. Now let's arrange all our cosmetics and see how beautiful it looks. If you like this DIY project and have any other ideas or requests for videos, please let me know in the comment section and tell me how you like this beauty organizer DIY. See you next time.